What's up mga kaboards? Craving ba kayo sa Mexican food? May nahanap akong food trip spot dito. Let's go! Umorder ako ng premium beef birria tapos with cheese. Ayan, panurin natin kung paano lutuin. Buy one take one na to for the price of 208 pesos.